Are you looking for the best electric wheelchair? In this video, we will show 5 best electric wheelchair. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Ofcesw Electric Wheelchairs. Lightweight foldable wheelchair, 15 miles long travel range. 360 degrees joystick control motorized wheelchair. Support 286 pounds with LED light power wheelchair. Brand, Ofcesw. Color, purple. Special feature, adjustable, foldable, lightweight, portable. Manufacturer, Office. Powerful 360-watt dual motor. The removable 12Ah battery provides a 15 miles travel range, providing reliable power for each journey. This lightweight foldable electric wheelchair tackles grass, gravel, and rough terrain with ease. At the same time, battery charging is also very convenient. Just bring the battery indoors for charging. Comfort and convenience. This electric wheelchairs for adults lightweight is designed for all-day comfort, featuring a 17-inch wide seat cushion and breathable backrest, preventing bed sores and protecting the coccyx, lumbar, and cervical spine. Folding footrests make it easy to stand up and get closer to the desk, increases the convenience and comfort of the elderly to get on and off the wheelchair. Compact and lightweight. This electric wheelchair can support up to 286 pounds and can be folded easy for 12.2 by 26.7 inches, making it ideal for travel and easy storage in car trunks. This electric wheelchair is equipped with storage bag. Power chair keeps shopping essentials and personal belongings within easy reach for greater convenience on the go.
Number 4. Lightweight electric wheelchairs. Foldable, only 35 pounds, 500-watt dual motors. Motorized wheelchairs for seniors support 250 pounds, all-terrain travel powered wheelchairs. Brand, Jexotry. Color, black. Item weight, 39 pounds. Style, modern. Lightweight and foldable. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, this sturdy electric wheelchair without batteries weighs only 35 pounds but can support up to 250 pounds, and the chair with a battery weighs only 39 pounds. Its quick 3-second fold and compact size make it easy to fit into car trunks, and it can be effortlessly dragged like a suitcase, perfect for seniors. The detachable battery offers 2 convenient charging options, and the lightweight electric wheelchair comes nearly fully assembled for immediate use. Powerful performance. Equipped with dual 250-watt motors, this motorized wheelchair can reach speeds up to 3.73 miles per hour, 6 kilometers per hour, and effortlessly climb slopes of up to 12 degrees while carrying loads of up to 220 pounds. The high-performance 10.4 amp-hour lithium battery fully charges in 5 to 6 hours, providing a travel range of 15 miles to meet your daily needs.
Number 3. Ranger Magnum Ultra Heavy Duty Folding Electric Wheelchair. All-terrain, weatherproof, dual 350-watt motors, 660-pound capacity, dual side batteries. Brand, Ranger Portal Mobility. Color, silver. Material, aluminum, plastic. Model name, Ranger Magnum. Maximum weight recommendation, 660 pounds. Dual ultra-powerful 350-watt brushless motors deliver instant torque for hills, curbs, and all terrains, grass, gravel, snow. Built with aerospace-grade coils and neodymium magnets for high efficiency, low heat, and extended lifespan. Nearly silent with temp protection, regenerative braking, and posi traction for zero slippage. Built to support 660 pounds, this heavy-duty chair features a wide ergonomic seat, reinforced frame, and expert welds for tank-like strength. Large PU solid puncture-free tires absorb shock for smooth, stable rides on any terrain. Advanced engineering meets handcrafted quality, rugged, reliable, and road-ready. Folds into a sleek under 5 seconds, upright standing form with a modern transformer-like look, compact enough to fit in most car trunks. Automatically locks when unfolded for safety. Its ergonomic space-saving design combines strength, style, and convenience, making it incredibly easy to fold, transport, and store.
Number 2. Serianie Electric Wheelchairs. Lightweight electric wheelchair, foldable travel motorized wheelchairs for seniors, folding portable mobility scooter, compact fold power wheelchair. Brand, Seriani. Color, black. Style, AB0215 version 3. Material, metal. Powerful performance with extended range. Upgrade your mobility with our electric wheelchair, featuring a 500-watt motor for strong power and a 12 Ah battery for up to 15 miles of long range. With a top speed of 3.73 miles per hour, you can enjoy smoother rides and longer trips without worrying about running out of power. Perfect for all-terrain use. Comfort and convenience. Our electric chair is equipped with a soft, comfortable cushion seat, providing support for extended use. Its lightweight, small, collapsible design allows for easy storage and transport, fitting effortlessly into your car's trunk. Ideal for daily use and travel. Intuitive control for easy operation. The powered wheelchair features an intuitive control panel with a battery indicator light, power button, horn, speed adjustment button, and a 360-degree joystick for precise maneuvering. All controls are easily accessible, making it simple to adjust settings and enjoy a smooth, comfortable ride. Enhanced safety features. Our electric wheelchair is equipped with rear anti-tip wheels for added stability, a safety belt for secure seating, electromagnetic brakes for reliable stopping power, and hand brakes for extra control. These safety features ensure a smooth and secure ride at all times.
Number 1. Hasky Electric Wheelchair for Adults Foldable. 15 miles range motorized wheelchair. All-terrain power wheelchairs for seniors. Supports up to 350 pounds. Brand: Hasky. Color: black. Item weight: 58 pounds. Material: iron. Portable and space-saving. This electric wheelchair folds effortlessly for compact storage, easily fitting into car trunks or tight spaces. The portable wheelchair combines travel-ready convenience with a heavy-duty frame supporting up to 350 pounds for daily use. Long-lasting 15-mile-plus range. Powered by an upgraded high-efficiency 500-watt motor, this motorized wheelchair range exceeding 15 miles on a single charge, sufficient for exploring vast mall corridors or outdoor events. 360-degree joystick control. Designed with seniors in mind, a responsive 360-degree joystick offering flexibility and precise adjustability even in narrow spaces. The power wheelchair ensures instant braking and smooth directional transitions. All-terrain safety. Engineered for adults, this electric wheelchair for adults conquers steep 12-degree inclines and wet slopes with confidence. Even if you let go on the slope, the shock-absorbing springs, anti-tipping wheels, and emergency braking system will protect you unscathed.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.